Good morning, my name is Shane Higgins. I'm the Master of the National Maternity Hospital. I'm just here with some visiting Oireachtas members, and we are looking at the hospital infrastructure, and I think it's clear for everyone to see that this hospital is well beyond its sell-by date. I think the imperative of the move to St Vincent's is becoming clear to everybody, but nonetheless we have people who feel that this is fit for purpose, and I think the video footage that you'll see as part of this will show that that's clearly not the case. I think there's been a lot of conversation, a lot of narrative, a lot of sincere, genuine concern out there about the politics of the move. Let me clearly state, the nuns have left the pitch. The religious sisters of charity have no interest in participating in any healthcare in this country. They've transferred their shareholding in St Vincent's to the new company. It's a secular charity, not-for-profit organisation that will provide healthcare just as we do here at the National Maternity Hospital. What we're looking for is your support so that we can move to a 21st century healthcare facility and provide the appropriate services that we provide here to all women, all newborn babies, across a spectrum of care, from obstetrics, maternity, gynecology, menopause, fertility services, in an appropriate campus sized and spec'd to meet the needs of 21st century healthcare. So I urge you to support the campaign, support the move, support the project. Let's get it across the line. As I've said before, we can do better than we're doing in this hospital in terms of infrastructure. The care that we provide here is excellent. That's down to the individuals. We now need the facility in which to provide it with the dignity and privacy and all the other elements that are required to provide 21st century healthcare. So thank you very much.